Hi, and welcome to the Spiro YouTube channel, home of the Spiro software how-to video tutorial series and the Spiro Podcast, managing your real estate photography and videography business. Spiro is a real estate photography and videography business management software platform created by and for those of us that love to shoot photos and video to serve our realtor clients. From allowing your realtor clients to order your products and services online, to upselling to other products and services that you have available to them during that ordering process, to scheduling, to invoicing, to delivering the photos, to delivering marketing materials, Spiro has you covered. We're about helping you maximize and enjoy your business by becoming your business back-end office so that you can concentrate more on what you enjoy doing most: creating, shooting, building relationships with your clients, and serving their needs. The Spiro Podcast will be talking about the everyday business challenges and knowledge that you'll need to really manage, lead, and grow and scale your real estate videography and photography business. We'll be talking about topics like building your client base, how to make brokerage presentations, and how to find other photographers to join your team so that you can grow and scale your business. So welcome to the Spiro Real Estate Photography and Videography YouTube channel. Our goal is to add value to your business through software and knowledge sharing. And thank you in advance for subscribing to the Spiro YouTube channel.